Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this video I will show you how to get a data into a drop-down list from SQL Server remote database of myLittleAdmin. Right now I am in ASP.NET C# coding source code. Before continue the programming part, let's check the output how it looks. Let's build this solution. Click run. And this is the output of the designing part. First I will add the drop-down list, then I will write the coding part. Let's go back to my ASP.NET coding part. Now let's add the drop-down list here after the horizontal column. I want to add this in the center. Go to toolbox, double click the drop-down list, and this one, and the idea I'm giving country list. Let's build this solution. Now we just added the drop down list. Let's go to the coding part, right click the mouse, view code. In the code behind, the first thing is we need to add the namespaces using system.data system.data.SQL client. The last one is using system.configuration. After adding the three namespaces, the page load event, I am writing the code. The first is if not this page is post back, string remote connection is equals to configuration manager dot connection strings dot connection string, and this connection string takes a parameter of the SQL Server connection values. We'll explain in a moment after adding this code. After that, SQL connection class SQL con is equals to new SQL connection, which takes a remote connection parameter, this one. Let's open the connection. Open SQL command SQL com is equals to new SQL command, and this command takes two parameters. One is the SQL query, which is a select statement, and the second one is the connection string, this one. SQL com dot command type, which is the command type dot text, because I'm writing the select statement here. Now after command type, we need the drop down list ID, which is the country list. So country list dot data source is equals to SQL command dot execute reader. I'm reading the data from the database. Country list dot data text field, and this data text field will take the column name of the table. After that, we need to add the bind method to the drop down list. Country list dot data bind method that country list dot items dot insert zero new list item select country name and close the connection dot close. Now we just finished the coding part, but now we need a main part. Now in the connection string, let's get the connection string from the web.config file. Go to Solution Explorer, come to bottom, and this is the connection string name. I have added the data source in my web.config file. Grab this, paste here. If you don't know how to add the GoDaddy connection string in the web.config file, I made a video on that. Please check that video. Now the second thing is the select command, which takes a SQL query. Let's log into my GoDaddy account. We'll check the table name and column names. I'm signing to my GoDaddy account. Sign in. After I log into my myLittleAdmin for SQL Server, go to databases. In the databases, here the user databases, I'm expanding the user databases. My hosting servers, tables. For this example, I'm using the table name country. Open table. So this country table contains 3 columns. One is the auto ID, and the second column is a country name, and the third one is a capital name. I want to bind data this country name into data list control. Let's go back to the coding part. The SQL command, select country name from dbo.country table name, and the data text field, I want to bind this country name to my data list control. After adding the data text field, let's build this project. Here the build succeeded. Now let's run the program on the browser. And now here is the output. See, USA, India, Japan, Germany and Pakistan. That's it. If you like this video, please leave your valuable comment, share this video, and please subscribe my channel. Catch you on my upcoming videos.